Hi viewers, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing an overhead camera mount. So let's get started. If you are watching my videos for the first time, please do subscribe my channel. So here we have the overhead camera mount or the overhead camera holder. So it is from BROLAVIYA. So let's unbox this first. So we get these 4 accessories in this package. So let me open one by one. So first we have this arm. It's called a lazy arm. So this one is the bracket for tablets, mounting the tablets. And this is the bracket for mounting the mobile phones. So this is the bracket for mounting the mobile phones. And we have the clamp to fix the arm. So this is the clamp to fix the arm. You have to fix this clamp to the wooden table. So let's try to install this setup. Now I'm going to fix the clamp to the table. So you need to fix it like this. This portion should come below the table. Okay, now after fixing that, you need to insert this arm. So you have this extruded portion, so that should go inside this. So that's it. It's now fixed. Now we have to tighten that arm with this screw. You have to tighten it like this. So now the arm is fixed. Now here on the top we need to fix the mobile bracket. This is the mobile bracket. You have to first loosen this. So now you have to tighten this up. And finally, you need to fix your mobile to this holder. So that's it, guys. Now you can do unboxing videos using this mounting arm. So it's very simple. And this mounting arm is made of aluminum and it's very lightweight, but these brackets are made of plastic. So the quality seems to be good for me. Yeah, now this is ready for making videos, unboxing videos of any product you want. So you can also use this mounting arm to watch videos in mobile phones or do any work, keeping your hands free. Like you can just switch on the mobile and start your work. So in this way it's a bit comfortable working with this arm. And also you can position this bracket in any direction you want, like up and down directions, as you can see. So you can move it till this position. So yeah, stop. One thing I observed is that we don't get any instruction manual in this package. So there is no instruction manual, so I could see only these instructions on the package. So you have to look at this diagram and install this arm. So step by step information is given on this package. And also in this package I got a card. So it's written Iceberg Makers. So I think this mounting arm is being manufactured by Iceberg Makers. So they have provided a card in this package. So if you find any issues with this bracket, you can call the customer care. The customer care number is given here. So that's it, guys. So that's all in this video, guys. Hope this mounting arm video was very informative and helpful to you. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and click the like button. So that's all for now. Bye, guys.